everyone, I am Shantakumari. Today we are going to see about methods of cultivation of mulberry plants. Definition: mulberry cultivation essential for sericulture involves various methods tailored to specific climatic, soil and farming requirements. The methods are categorized based on propagation techniques, pruning styles and the system of planting. Propagation methods: mulberry can be propagated through seeds and vegetative methods. Seed propagation, used mainly for breeding purposes or establishing new varieties. Seeds are collected, treated and germinated in nurseries. Seedlings are transplanted to fields after adequate growth. Then vegetative propagation. There are 4 types of vegetative propagation. One is cuttings, second one is grafting, third one is budding and the fourth one is layering. Then pruning techniques. Mulberry plants require regular pruning to ensure healthy foliage for silkworm feeding. There are 4 types of pruning techniques. They are pollarding, coppicing, branch pruning and shoot pruning. Then planting systems. Mulberry is grown under various systems based on land availability and farming practices. There are 5 types of planting systems. They are row system, block system, high density planting system, contour planting system and mixed cropping system. Then specialized methods. There are 2 specialized methods. One is tree cultivation and second one is bush cultivation. In tree cultivation, mulberry trees are allowed to grow tall with periodic pruning of branches for leaves. Common in areas with scarce land and where mulberry is also used as shade trees or fodder. Then bush cultivation. Plants are pruned to grow as bushes for easy leaf harvest, widely used in sericulture farms. Then pruning in mulberry plants. Pruning is a vital cultural practice in mulberry cultivation that involves the systematic removal of older unproductive branches to encourage the growth of healthy new shoots. This ensures consistent and a high quality leaf production, which is critical for sericulture. Then, what are the objectives of pruning? There are: it enhances the leaf quality, it regulates the plant growth, it removes the unproductive plots, and it increases the productivity and it increases the longevity. These are all the objectives of pruning. Then types of pruning: pollarding, coppicing, branch pruning and shoot pruning. Then what are the schedule in pruning? Spring pruning, it's a primary schedule. Mid-season pruning, it's a secondary schedule. Post-harvest pruning is the territory pruning schedule. Then pruning techniques: use sharp and clean pruning tool to minimize damage and reduce infection risk. Make clean cuts at a slight angle to prevent water accumulation and fungal infections. Apply protective measures on larger cuts to avoid disease entry. Then benefits of pruning in mulberry: uniform shoot growth, improved air circulation, optimized light penetration and ease of harvesting. Then what are the common mistakes in pruning is excessive pruning, improper timing of pruning, then neglecting tools. Then what is manuring? Manuring in mulberry plants. Manuring is an essential agronomic practice in mulberry cultivation to ensure high quality leaf production for silkworm rearing. Mulberry plants are heavy feeders and require adequate supply of nutrients for optimal growth, leaf yield and quality. Then objectives of manuring: and it enhances the soil fertility, it increases the leaf yield, it improves the leaf quality and it also maintains the soil health, and these are all the objectives of manuring. Then what are the types of manures we use as a fertilizer for the growth of mulberry plants? Or one is organic manures and second one is chemical fertilizers. In the organic manures we use farmyard manure, compost, vermicompost and green manures, etc. In chemical fertilizers we can use nitrogen and phosphorus as a chemical fertilizers for the growth of mulberry plants. Then application method: then how to use the apply the manures for the mulberry plants. One is basal application, second one is top dressing and the third one is foliar feeding. Then recommended dosages: if we use organic manure, 20 tons of farmyard manure or compost we can use per hectare per year. For nitrogen, 300 to 400 kg per hectare per year. And for phosphorus, 120 to 140 kg per hectare per year. For potassium, we can use 120 to 140 kg per hectare per year. Then manuring schedule: First application before planting or the start of the season, apply organic manure and phosphorus potassium fertilizers. After each harvest, we can apply nitrogenous fertilizers to support new shoot growth. Then in the mid-season, supplement with the foliar sprays of micronutrients or additional organic inputs. Then key considerations. Soil testing. Conduct regular soil tests to determine nutrient requirements and prevent over application. Integrated nutrient management. Combine organic and inorganic fertilizers to maintain soil health and productivity. Water management. Apply fertilizers when adequate irrigation is available to prevent nutrient loss. Then avoid overuse. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers can lead to soil degradation and environmental pollution. These are all the key considerations during manuring and fertilizing. Thank you for your interest and patience listening.